vlog. And tanaw si Uncle nagtanaw. Naulaw. So today kay as usual among mga video is laag. So laag yapon ni karon. Mas social lang karon kay nagsakay mig airplane. So first time na mo do magsakay og airplane and international pa jud no. Wala pa naman among klase, papud naman ang clearance, naglaag-laag na ko. Flight na mo is alas 5. So mag-wait sa mi karon. Guys, na yung mga dilawan diri guys. 8 diretso. Naglibog ko guys, nganong wafi nakabutang. Dapat wafu. Wafu. Alright, boarding na tayo. Linya sa Prebugas. Linya sa Prebugas. Alugaw. Alright, paling gabi. Very excited. So off to Butuan. Nakasakay na dyan sa bus.
Muna yung itong bagong bus karon.
Guwapong day bagong bus karon kay murag airplane. Mo day ning bagong sa. Guwapo na dyan ang yellow bus karon. Ano seatbelt ang yellow bus guys?
Guwapo nilang table ron.
Oh, napay table. Oh. Nakaon na kag. Napay guwapo pa ang window sa yellow bus.
Guwapo kay ano ba? Illusion na nagpako daw.
Napay yung airplane sa gawas. Piyaw na sa yellow bus karon ni.
The area of Philippines and en route weather going to Kota Kinabalu, we have a bit of cloudy weather. Over Singapore, we also have good weather once we arrive in Singapore.
Sige.
And sit back, relax, enjoy the rest of the flight.
Salamat.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air, and push pin inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside. The doors are closed. This is a non-smoking flight. Use of vape, e-cigarette, and all smoking or vapor inhaling and emitting devices is prohibited by Philippine Civil Aviation regulations. Please stop using your gadget.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Ako na, i-off na ako tiya.
First to all gadgets.
surprise quiz.
Bago lagi
Wala.
ko sa exam.
Wala jud mi ka study ani. Sa man sa ako mag-answer.
Can anyone raise for me their passport? Congratulations, I have a quick one at the back.
Alright.
Next.
Next.
4 my second item. Can anyone raise for me a black ball pen?
Ay, so.
We have a winner here in front. Congratulations for my last and final item.
Last, no?
Loro to. Loro ko.
Can anyone raise for me their boarding pass? Okay, we have a quick one here in front. Once again, congratulations to all the winners for the meantime. Sit
Oo,
back,
kailag
relax,
boarding
enjoy the
pass.
rest of the flight.
Kana.
Pwede mag-request sa game. Trip to Jerusalem. Hey guys, so abot mi Changi Airport, Singapore. Ribay dagag ilim nun bay. Daghan kay bay. Wow, free wifi. Mga itong mga hangol og wifi password na masilingan ako at tumog Singapore kay libre wifi. So, nagpalit mi og tourist pass.
90.
Unlimited sakay, bus, MRT and LRT.
20.
Alright, sugod-sugod na may kawala no. Okay. Ingani dyan ni, basta wala yung mga tour guide ba?
It's plus 5.
Allah.
13. Pwede din. Wala akong pa sa...
Pero kan, mauni ang East West.
Sige, wala din may tour guide. So,
9 man eh.
pahod-hod lang mi dre. Amo ni tour guide.
Nanawala.
Haha. Mga tropa. Okay, waiting game. Guys, marami Pinas diri guys. Nagdinaganay sila pag-abot sa kuan isa ka train. Okay, abot ng train ha. Way karaw ha, way karaw. Oops. Way karaw ha. Okay, kita ram ng kamiram day, way karaw. Okay guys, nato sa San Pedro Street. Rojas. Mana man bot na.
Ay, naraw. Ang bus ni
Second floor.
floor.
Abi ni mong bookstore. Hey guys, na namin sa Magsaysay. Ah. Alright, so dreamy magstay. 2 Hindi ko maigo. 2 beds. Hello. Extra bed. No! Okay, may na-eye view. Pero puro building food. Wala, Chinatown. Yung green guys, nandito yung green. Okay, so mag-ngaon sa mi. Alas 11:30 sa gabi. Manihapon. Kung sa mani, libre ni. Kaya ito, 24 hours na ditong bantay. Wow! Mansion. So many di Chinese restaurant ni or Singapore?
Singapore.
Spaghetti Bolognese.
Sila mo lang $8. Kurang 100 plus.
Sa Bulkachong. Okay, tag-isa daw may isa ka ana, isa ka big prawn, isa ka sweet and sour, isa ka black pepper. Grocery time.
Size.
Okay, we're done doing groceries. Kahit na may mga chips, mga sabon. Look at this car, dude. Naras kilid-kilid mga BMW. So yan, pag-abri silang gate guys sa diba? High touch. Ay, di ba? Nag-lock siya. Automatic lock, diba?